Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And today, let me record on a new topic. So the table topic for today is, what would you do differently if you knew nobody would judge you? What would you do differently if you knew nobody would judge you? What would I do differently if you knew nobody would judge you? So if I talk about myself, what I would do differently is, there are very few things I would do slightly differently if I know nobody would judge me. But about the most part of the things, I would not do anything differently. Why? Because I believe that if I know that somebody would judge me, my behavior or my what I do, things that I do would depend on somebody else's behaviors. Why I should be worried that somebody would see me very differently? I would do what I'm supposed to do, what I'm supposed to do based on my principle. What are the things, what are the mind maps I have around the world and the things. Mm. So maybe when it comes to if I know that people would judge me to do certain things, then I wouldn't do. So maybe in very few things, right? Maybe I want to sing out loud in the public, and now I know that people would judge me, right? Then I wouldn't do such thing in the public. So those kinds of things might happen that yes, I chose not to do that. Sometimes we feel free, the environment where we know that the people do not know you, you feel more freedom. So that's about it. So coming back to the topic, what are things that you would do differently if I knew nobody would judge me? Uh, Maybe things like that. Maybe certain funny things that I would do if I know that people would not judge me. Maybe I will be a little bit more free in terms of for talking to people, terms of uh, behaving in a certain way. Those are the things might change. But on the fundamental side, my concepts, my mental maps, my ethics, that wouldn't change per se. Thank you. Over to you.